Okay, I will go to stairs. So there are 4 types of stairs: straight line, L type, U type, and spiral. So let me draw the stair straight. When you select a command here, bottom, it shows you what exactly you have to do here. Specify lower corner of the stair. You can see here. So specify lower corner of the stair. Click here, drag it, and show the second one. Then you show the width, you show the height. You show the first point, second point, which is the length, width, height. Okay, let me repeat again. I selected straight line. Click one point, drag it, show the second point, which shows you the length of the stair, width of the stair, height of the stair. And after that, we can adjust. You can see here how the stair look like. Suppose you have a room height of 3 meters. Your roof height is 3 meters. And your rise of one stair is 15 centimeters. So 300 divided by 15, you require 20 steps. Clear? 20 steps you want. So let us create that one here. There are some parameters here. When you see this staircase, there are 3 types of staircase you can make. This straight line, L type, U type, 3 types of things you can make. The one is open. That means there is only one center support here, and it is supported on that one. You can see that. You can see there is only one center support. This is open type. When I say closed one, when I click this closed one, you can see it became an ordinary concrete stair. Be there, and it is supported on that. Closed mean our ordinary concrete steps. Blocks mean box type. So there are 3 types you can make. So let us select the open one. So the central support is called the carriage. You see here, when I remove the carriage, there is no center support, center beam. Carriage. Stringers mean there'll be some edge beading will be there. Stringer. See, this is stringers. Okay. This is stringers. When you say handrail left, right, you see there is handrails have coming there. So there is a handrail here, there is a handrail here, and you can see from here. Handrail left, handrail right. Instead of handrail, sometimes you want handrail. You can see that there is a staircase between 2 walls. You require a small pipe to hold it, no? So in that case, you can use this railing, only railing, handrail. I'll remove that. Sometimes you want proper handrail. So in that case, you will use rail path. We have learned how to create railing. You remember railing? There is a provision path, select path. We'll do that. So when you click that one, automatically railing will come here. I will show you that later. Okay. Okay. Now layout. This 131 is this total length. Width. This width. Usually the width will be about 1 meter. Usually it will be 1 meter. And for 3 meter height of the building, we require 20 steps, 15 centimeter rise. So how will you adjust those things? So that is the thing you are doing here, rise here. Here you control all these things. So now I want 20 numbers. You see here, there are 3 options here overall: riser height, riser count. I can change only 2 parameters at a time. This is very important. Please listen to this. This is very, very important, because this is how you adjust the height and thread of all the things. Carefully listen here. You see here riser. 3 parameters are here overall: riser height and riser numbers. So riser height, we want 15 centimeter. Correct? Riser height 15 centimeter. So I will keep it here 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter I kept. Now I need 20 steps to reach 3 meter. So I cannot change the count here. Count I can't change. I will click here. Now I can change here. I'll make it to 20. Correct? Now you see automatically it became 300 here. It became 300 automatically. 15 into 20. So that is why you adjust. 2 parameters only you can change at a time. Now the question is, my thread. How much is the usual standard thread for a step? You remember? Step. About 25 centimeter. Thread will be about 25 centimeter. So you have 20 risers, means 19 thread will be there. Always -1. And 1 thread is 25 centimeter. Multiply by 19. So you will get the length of the yours. Is it not? Can you see how much it is coming? 25 multiplied by 19. I think 475. 475. You see here layout length. Layout length. Here I have to give that length, because that is the total length of the staircase. That is the total length. Since you want 19 steps with 25 centimeter thread, 475 height you want. So let me, that is why it is becoming very steep. You see, it looks like very steep. It's not steep. The thread is very, very small. You can see very, very small. How will you keep your foot on this? Very difficult. So now I have to change the length to 475. 475. You can see now it looks nice, isn't it? It looks very nice. So that is this portion is very, very important. This length indicates the thread multiplied by the number of steps. And here overall height, here you change 1 at a time and keep whatever number required. We want 20 steps with 15 centimeter. Up to here clear, no? Okay. Now you see here thickness. Thickness of the strip. This thickness. You see here? 2 centimeters is very, very thin. You will require a minimum 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Usually it will be 8 centimeter, 5.7 centimeter, something like that. I put 5 centimeter. This is depth actually, which is this one. You see here? Usually that is not required. Depth means it changes like this. Not required. Okay. Now we have finished steps detail. Now we'll come to the railing. Carriages. See, we have carriage here. The center support. You can see here center support. This height and depth can be changed. So go down here, carriage, depth. Now it is 20 centimeter. You see here, depth of the carriage. Can you see? Depth of the carriage. Width of the carriage. Usually it will be 20 centimeter. You see, there is only one now. I can add if I want two. Click here, give two. You can have two. But usually it will be one only. So you can change the size of the carriage. Now, if you have the stringers, the stringers also you can modify. Stringers, carriage, stringers, depth, width, offset. Offset means whether you want at the end or hanging type. For the timing, you just keep this string. It is actually supporting the ground. Okay, so this is stringers. I'll remember the stringers because I'm going to provide. So as I mentioned, we can have handrails. And this handrail, you see here handrail. We can move the handrail little here and there. Handrail. When you come hand here, we can see this handrail is only a square type, a rectangular type. I can make it to circular. Usually we want circular here. Okay, so I can change that segments here, only 3 segments. I can increase and make it round. I can increase the radius. I can increase the offset. You see? And the height from here. I can increase the height also. You can see here. This height can be adjusted from here. You see, height can be adjusted. This is when you are using railing. Handrail is on. I remove that. I hope you got some idea up to here. Is it clear? Up to here. Yes. We'll practice it later. So in the notes, we have finished the straight stair. I explained you stringers, which is the side protection. Carriage is a central portion which hold the stair. Okay, so you can write out stringers means side protection. Carriage, central beam. Stringers mean for side protection. Carriage means central beam on which the stair is supported. So how will you draw a stair? In the viewport, drag to set the length first to create staircase. In any viewport, drag to set the length. drag to set the length. Release the mouse button. Release the mouse button. Then move the cursor. Then move the cursor and click to set the width. And click to set the width. Move the cursor up. Move the cursor up or down. To define the rise of the stairs and click to end. So you are showing the length, width, height. And after that, you can adjust the parameters. There are three types of stair you can have. One is open type, open, which creates an open riser stair. Open creates an open riser stair. Closed creates a closed riser stair. Creates a closed riser stair. And the third one is box. Create a stair with closed stairs and closed stringers on both the sides. And this rise group is very, very important here. You can see there are three options available: overall, riser height, riser number. 3ds Max keeps one rise option. This is very important. If you don't write down this, it will be difficult for you. If you don't note down these points, it will be difficult for you. So please write down. 3ds Max keeps one rise option locked when you adjust the other two. The riser group. Yeah, there is a small box here, riser group. Overall, riser height, riser count. 3ds Max keep one rise option locked while you adjust the other two. To lock the option, click push button. So you click this and you can lock or unlock. This button can be locked or unlocked. And the third important step is use rail path to create required handrails. Use rail paths to create required handrails. So after selecting path, you have to use the railing command, which I will show you now how to do that. Okay, now let me switch on the rail path. Handrail means you get handrails. Same location you get rail path, left and right. Two paths you are getting here, one here, one here. Now I want to create a handrail there. So I will go to railing, which is from AEC action that you can see railing. Click that railing. There is an option here, pick railing path. Click this pick railing path and click here. You see one handrail has come there. Handrail has come. Now you have to modify this. How many pickets you want, all the things you can do from here. Handrail I have already explained you how to create handrails. Okay. Let me top rail. This is the top rail. Top rail, I will make it to round, change that. See. And make it a round by changing various measurements. So this is the top rail here. This is the height. Lower rail, which also I want round. So this is the lower rail. I can increase the number of lower rail from clicking here to, I can increase these numbers. This is called the end points are called post. Post. Yes, also I can create round, increase the diameter. I can extend it. And see that you can extend the post. This is called pickets. Pickets. And this picket, this is a picket that also you can change the size. You can increase the number. This is a post. There are two pickets in between. You can increase this number if you want. So picket, click this. So there are two posts now. You can increase. You can increase any number you want. You can adjust the, like, suppose you want to extend this. You can see you can also extend that also if you want. And bottom offset here, that also you can adjust the bottom offset here. This is if you want only. You can change this to sheets. From picket, you take the solid fill. And solid fill also, you can adjust a lot of things. Offset. Left. This solid, you can adjust the offsets. Right up to left offset. Top. So you can do a lot of things with this. You can take it down. You can see. And use, there are two paths here. You can use the other path also. We'll go back to staircase here, staircase, modify. Okay, both are on. Okay, so same thing we can do this side also. You can do similar to this one also. Railing, big path, and can take it down. You can see the handrail with the staircase with the handrail. Let us move on to the second type of stair, which is the L type. So again, the first point I've shown, drag it here, drag it. L type. Stairs, L type. So drag here. Drag here. Height. So we start from here, show here, then show here. Okay. So this is L type. Let me repeat again. First point, second point, third point, then height. Okay. And you have to adjust all these things using again all the measurements you have to adjust. I mentioned you that the height of the room is 300. So first let us fix these points here, rise here. So first I will give the riser height, which is 15 centimeter. Then go to click this riser and come to numbers here, 20 numbers. 300 is total height, 15 centimeter is your riser. So 300 divided by 15, 20 steps you have. Okay, so you got 20 numbers. Okay, so okay, so we gave 20 steps, 15 centimeters each, and the height is 300. Now we have to adjust the length of this. So first length, how much you want? Maybe 300. Say 250. So 10 steps. And the balance 75, 225. Total, if you require 20 rises, mean 19 steps. Every step 25 centimeters. So 19 multiplied by 25, 475 you get. So here 225. And you can see the L type now. I hope you got some idea now. And even you can adjust this this angle. You can see here angle. You can rotate like this and rotate like this also. You can have angle. Let's see that you can make little bigger if you want. All the things you can do. And carriage, railing, stringers. This is similar to which I explained earlier. So this is L type. L type. Let us go to another model now. U type. You see here U type. Click, click. You can see here. Again, you have to adjust the length and height, everything you have to do it. So finish, let us finish this. Riser 20 numbers you want. Click here. This to 20. Riser height is 15 centimeter. So 300 you got. And here also 19 steps here. So first step 10 will take 250. And second 225. And this much length landing is not required. You see, too much big landing here. You can reduce that landing width. You can make it like this, small one. Then width. And all other parameters are same. Now you see here 300 centimeter height, 15 centimeter riser, and 20 steps. So this is how you do the U type. Oh, we got some idea now. And here also we can have the handrail if you want, rail path. Then you go to railing and select this one. You get automatically the hand railing. Then you have to move down and touching the steps. You can adjust. You can try that. Now next one is so we have finished straight L type, U type. Now spiral staircase. Spiral is actually round. So you show the radius, show the height. I'll show it here. Spiral staircase. Click the point. Show. Adjust the height. You can see the staircase. Okay, you can modify it again. And here this also you want to give a spiral staircase with the 3-meter height. So go to risers here. Height is 15 centimeter. Riser, you require 20 steps. And here, where will it support? We can give a pipe here if you want. There is here center pole. Click this. You can adjust the radius of that. So this is how it look like. So all these steps are supported in this pipe. So it started from here, it supports here and it goes here. All other things you can adjust again. All the measurement and other thing can adjust again. Even this diameter of this pipe, you can just go down center pole. Diameter can be reduced or increased. Segments. Even height you can adjust if you want. And here also you have railing, stringers, everything is there. Center pole, carriage. So this is spiral staircase. I hope you got some idea now. So these are the 4 different type of staircases. So we have to practice and see.